Many of young people like you, they used to ask, ये जो पुलिस और पॉलिटिशियन से पुलिसमैन बहुत खराब है, बोलते रहता है, I was in police, I am now in politics. सब लोग बोलते हैं, when I was in police also, they used to tell, बहुत खराब है पुलिस, तो खराब है, बेकार है politician. So why not good people like you join police and politics? आप अच्छा बनाना चाहता है तो अच्छा आदमी ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. So I would request you, I would encourage you, you should join police and politics. Then you understand the Indian culture. Then we can make India a greater country. बहुत महान है, और भी महान बनाना है हमें. I would request, we have to reach out to the places where we have places which are not reached, unreached area. So I request, Manipur is a place. Many of the young minds here who are sitting here, they have not known Manipur. Seeing is knowing. So why not we organize such event in Manipur? I'll be there to support. सबको प्रणाम, नमस्कार and good morning. Sri Rabindranath Mahato ji, the Honorable Speaker of Odisha Legislative Assembly, Sri Biswanath D. Karad ji, Sri Rahul Karad ji, all the enlightened personalities on the dais, all the VCs from universities, scholars, our young minds who are the future of great country India, हमारा महान भारत देश का भविष्य, सबको मैं फिर एक बार प्रणाम करता हूं. I'm so delighted to be part of this great event being organized by the MIT World Peace University, which is the 10th edition. I'm so sorry I was to be present yesterday because of assembly sessions in Manipur. I could not be present, and I'm so happy and to the organizers for rescheduling my program. I have come here as a student like you to learn, to educate myself about the great country India. I'm not here, even though I have been invited as a minister, but I'm not here as a minister today. I'm a student. I keep learning, I keep educating myself, and life is the best school you learn in future. And the experience is the best teacher. You will find so many things which you don't find in your in books in your school, in your journey of life. Education, is a journey from unknown to known. So it's a vast area. We do not know many things. Whatever we know is a very little. Now, the topic given to me, I'm not an expert. I'll try my whatever little experience I have, I'll share with you. Last 70 years का जो इंडिया का आईने में क्या दिखाई देता है? What is India in last 70 years? If, for example, I'm India. If I stand in front of the mirror, what all changes had happened in the last 70 years? I was an infant, then I became a child, then youth, then adult. Then in 70 years, what should be my, status? So there is a difficult area. If we have to ask ourselves, what is India? Bharat kya hai? We have to know what is India. Many of us, we do not know India. First of all, what we have to do is, why we are here is because we want you, all of us, including ourselves, all of us, we have to be a Rashtrabad. Rashtrabad बनना है हमें सबसे पहला. दूसरा, देशभक्त बनना है. We have to be a nationalist and a patriot. We have to sacrifice for our great country India, irrespective of which community we belong to, which state we belong to, which religion we follow. We have to love our motherland. We have to sacrifice our lives for our motherland. We have to contribute. That has to be the very purpose of today's Chhatra Sansad, Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad. And you are all talented, great future of India. India is going to be the superpower. We have faith, trust, and confidence in you that you will make us proud and you will make India superpower. For organizing this program, I thank both Bishwanath ji and Rahul ji. I would request, we have to reach out to the places where we have places which are not reached, unreached area. So I request, Manipur is a place. Many of the young minds here who are sitting here, they have not known Manipur. Seeing is knowing. So why not we organize such event in Manipur? I'll be there to support. So it's my request. I'll also extend my support when you organize such kind of event in Manipur. Let us reach out to Jammu Kashmir. Let's go to Arunachal. Let's go to Manipur. So what is India? What is that which is distinctive about India? What makes India different from other countries of the world? India is very unique, so what is that? That is our culture. You see, I'm from Manipur. I follow all the religions. I had a grandmother, who used to tell me about Indian culture. She was illiterate, but educated. Like Akbar. Akbar was not an educated person, not literate, but he was one of the best administrators of his time. Likewise, my grandmother was an illiterate, but she knew so much about Indian culture. She gave me a gift. You see. This is Bhagavad Gita. Everything is there here. I always carry this. India. This is India. I carry India with my pocket. It is in my heart. I was hit by 7 bullets when I was in police department. It was in 1996, 18th of March. I've been given second life. I have 2 date of births. I was born in February 18th. And on 18th of March, ambush took place. 39 bullets hit my vehicle. 7 bullets hit me and I survived. Maybe because God has been kind. Maybe because of this, I survived. Maybe because God has been kind. He wanted me to get this opportunity of learning, meeting these young minds who are going to be wonderful people, future of India. So isme kya hai? If you want to know India, you have to know the history of India. If you open any book on Indian history, the first chapter would be on Vedic period. What is Veda? If you want to know the culture of India, if you want to know India, you have to know history. If you want to know the history, then Indian culture. So the first primary chapter is Vedic India. Ved. What is Ved? India में देखिए तक्षशिला, Nalanda, Aryabhatta, Ramanujan, so many great people were there. We had rich culture. We had books on all the subjects, all kind of subjects, science, mathematics, Ayurveda, medicine, all those were there. Our rishis, they pass on all those knowledge from one generation to another generation. These are called shastras. So many of us, we do not know what is Veda. Veda में सब कुछ है. हमारा greatness, हमारा इंडिया कहाँ है वो देखने से pre-British, Ved में 5,000 years old, उसमें सब कुछ है. As a students, as a young leaders, you should learn Veda, irrespective of what religion you follow, which community you belong to, which part of the country you belong to. But आपको वेदा अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे तो इंडिया जानेंगे. Once you learn India, you know India, then India जो है सबसे, why India is so distinctive? It is because of our culture, our Veda, our knowledge. Veda is the document which is available, which talks about highest knowledge about activity. Vid, आप लोग, I used to read some books on Indian philosophy. Vid means संस्कृत का शब्द है. Vid का मतलब होता है knowledge. Vid, विद्यापीठ, विज्ञान, विद से आता है. तो everything is there in Veda. हम लोग, we don't learn, try to study our greatness, our knowledge which is there in India, in Indian scriptures, Indian Vedas, Upanishad में जो है हम पढ़ते नहीं है. Now what is happening? I being in charge of education, हम लोग मार्क के रेस में रेस कर रहे हैं मार्क पाने के लिए. So we have not become innovative. Our culture has gone, our value system has gone, our love for the country has gone. अभी हम खुद अपना देश को तोड़ने में लगा हुआ है, many of us. Now as I used to go and give motivational lectures, talks, many of young people like you, they used to ask, ये जो पुलिस और पॉलिटिशियन से पुलिस में बहुत खराब है, बोलते रहता है. I was in police, I am now in politics. सब लोग बोलते हैं. When I was in politics also, they used to tell, बहुत खराब है पुलिस, तो खराब है, बेकार है politician. So why not good people like you join police and politics? आप अच्छा बनाना चाहता है तो अच्छा आदमी ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. So I would request you, I would encourage you, you should join police and politics. Then you understand the Indian culture. Then we can make India a greater, greater country. बहुत महान है, और भी महान बनाना है हमें. इसके लिए आपका बड़ा योगदान रहेगा, आपका रोल बहुत बड़ा रोल है. हमें, I love talking, but time given is only 10 minutes. Next time when I get time, I'll interact with you. I have come to learn from you, from your experiences, from your knowledge. I don't know much, but with these few words, I wish you all the best. Let us play important role in making India a great country. Thank you.